Hello JS lovers, how are you? In this video I want to show you how to edit contemporary photos like selebgram, Instagram filter, pastel, Christmas color effect using Adobe Photoshop. Thanks for joining the JS Studio channel, the place for creative, innovative and inspirational people. And see you again with me, Jimmie Sinarta Digital Artist, in the Photoshop tutorial segment. I will share a premium preset that you can download for free, which I have included the link in the description. And to open it, please entering the password which I have provided in this video. So please watching this video until it finishes, that you can find the password. For those who are just watching this channel, please click the subscribe button in the lower right corner of this video, so that I am even more excited about making video content to be interesting. Alright, let's start the tutorial. Okay friend, let's start the tutorial. First, I choose filter, camera raw filter. I will start in here and the basic section. For temperature, I set it 0, tint is 0, exposure is 0.12. Okay, the next contrast is -40, highlight is 10, shadow is 25, white is 10, and the black is 12. Texture, I don't setting it. For clarity is 70. Dehash is setting 0. Vibrance -20. Saturation is -25. Okay, for the basic is finished. Let's do the next. The next is curve. The setting, the curve is like this. Yes, the curve, the result is like this. Okay, to the next. A detail section. Sharpening is 32. Noise reduction is 28. Okay, color noise reduction is 20. Okay, the detail has finished. The next, color mixture. The reds, I don't setting it. Orange, I don't setting it. And the yellow, Hue, I don't setting it. Saturation is -40. And luminance, I don't setting it. The green, I don't setting it. Aqua, I don't setting it. Blue, I don't setting it. Purple and magentas, I don't setting it. That's the next split tuning. Split tuning highlights for hue section. Hue section is 50. Saturation is 10. And balance, I setting it 0. For shadows, hue is 30 and saturation is 20. Yeah. Look is the different layer. Okay. Let's check up again. Okay, I press OK. And the result like this. The beautiful picture and the most and wonderful picture. Okay friends, the tutorial have finished. Thank you, this tutorial is finished. If this video is very useful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and leave the comment. And don't forget to click the bell symbol so that friends always get notification if there is a new video from us. Finally, I'm Jimmie Sinarta Digital Artist. Excuse myself. Keep the spirit, keep healthy and keep working. See you again in the next video. See you next time. Bye bye.